Do you drag yourself through the day, wondering why you feel exhausted despite getting enough sleep? Persistent fatigue can be frustrating and impact your work, relationships, and hobbies. In this video, we'll uncover 10 potential reasons you might feel tired all the time, along with solutions to help you feel more energized and live your life to the fullest. Reason number 1, poor nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Consuming too much sugar can lead to energy spikes and crashes, while not getting enough vitamins and minerals can leave you feeling sluggish. Try to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods and sugars. Reason number 2, dehydration. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and impair physical and cognitive performance. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. The amount needed can vary based on factors like your size, activity level, and the weather. Reason number 3, chronic stress. Chronic stress can lead to physical and mental exhaustion, also known as burnout. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Reason number 4, lack of physical activity. Regular physical activity can boost your energy levels, while a sedentary lifestyle can lead to fatigue. Try to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Reason number 5, underlying medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as anemia, thyroid disorders, and diabetes, can cause fatigue. If you're experiencing persistent fatigue, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider to rule out any potential medical conditions. Reason number 6, poor sleep quality. Even if you're getting enough sleep, poor sleep quality can leave you feeling tired. Maintain a regular sleep schedule, create a restful sleep environment, and avoid screens before bed to improve sleep quality. Reason number 7, mental health issues. Depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues can cause feelings of fatigue. If you're struggling with your mental health, reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide you with the tools and resources you need to manage your symptoms. Reason number 8, overworking. Working long hours without taking breaks can lead to burnout and fatigue. Make sure to take regular breaks during your workday. It's also important to have a good work-life balance. Reason number 9, lack of sunlight. Sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock, which can affect your sleep and energy levels. Try to get outside and get some sunlight every day, especially in the morning. And finally, reason number 10, too much screen time. Spending too much time in front of screens can strain your eyes and cause fatigue. Limit your screen time, especially before bed. Also, make sure to take regular breaks when using screens for extended periods. Remember, it's normal to have days where you feel more tired than others. But if you're constantly feeling exhausted, it's important to investigate the cause and take steps to address it. Your energy levels can be a key indicator of your overall health, so don't ignore persistent fatigue. Take care of yourself. And remember, it's okay to rest when you need to. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences and any additional tips in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of yourselves. See you in the next video.